Alright guys, let me break it down today's trade. Let's do a trade recap. How I made $300 on NQ with the 3 macros. So yeah, let me break it down for you guys. Alright, first of all, I was expecting it to reverse from there after a little pullback, and I wanted to get in there, but I could not manage to get in because I was not in a room. I was not paying attention to computer, so I could not do that. But anyways, then it pushed up really hard. If I caught that move, that would be awesome. It would have been a 100 points move, but okay, anyways. I'm still grateful whatever I got. Okay, so I saw a little pullback, and before the pullback, I saw a fair value gap right there, which was huge fair value gap, and I thought it was gonna reverse it, and I thought it was the inverse fair value gap, but then it pulled back up, and it just regular fair value gap then, and it got respected. So after I saw that blue candlestick and bullish move, I instantly got in a trade right there. Actually, I got in a trade with a 6 micros by accident. I closed the trade, and then I re-entered with the 3 macros. And yeah, I was really confident that it would execute as I wanted to execute, since it had like almost no point to reverse because all the liquidity was resting right there, so it had to take out those liquidities. So this was my aim zone, let's say, and I was aiming for those highs, and I could hold it a bit longer, to be honest, for these highs, or I could have taken partials and I could have taken, let's say, 2 macros there and kept the 1 macro going, but I didn't want to do that because at the same time I was thinking that it would take out those highs and it would reverse. But yeah, anyways, it was a 1 to 35 RR, which is pretty decent, to be honest. At least I recovered whatever I lost that the first day that I traded on this account, and yeah, everything went as I planned. So I'm thankful for all the profits that I got. Yep. Also on the Funding Peeps account, I opened some stupid trades, and I made $50 or around that. So the Funding Peeps account is, what's the balance on that? 9,583. So that's how much we have on the Funding Peeps, and we're aiming for 10,800. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I locked myself out, and let me show it to you guys the trade recap now. I hope you enjoyed it, the breakdown. Thanks God for this opportunity, and thanks God for all the wins, all the losses, and everything.